So let's start. So we'll start setting up the work environment to develop the Java application. So as we have already discussed about the JDK, JRE, and JVM and difference between them. So we know already what are the things we need to develop the Java application. Okay. So there is mainly two things we need to develop the Java application. One is development environment. Other one is the environment to run the application. So once we'll develop it, we have to run the application. So we have the JDK, okay, that will provide the development environment and runtime environment. Okay, so the JDK contains the JRE and JRE contains the JVM. So if you'll download the JDK, it's enough to develop the application. So let's start downloading it. So we'll be downloading the Java JDK 17. Okay, so we'll just write the JDK 17, and as we know, the Java is acquired by the Oracle. Okay, so we'll click on the link. Okay, first link. So once we'll click on the link, there will be different option. Okay, for 36-bit machine, for a 64-bit machine, we have the different JDK, and for different Mac and OS, we have the different JDK. So we'll be downloading the JDK exe file. Okay, so come down. You can see we have the Windows 64-bit machine, so you have to click here and download it. I have already downloaded, so I will just install this JDK 17.0.8 for 64-bit machine. Okay, so we have to click on this to install it. It's taking some time. Okay, so welcome to installation wizard of Java SE development kit 70.0. We'll click on next. Where we have to install it, that location we have to give. By default it is checking C program file dot Java. Okay, so we can change the location also. If you want to give some other location, you click here and give the location accordingly. Okay, so I'm giving the default location. We'll click on next. Installation is going on. Okay, done. It got installed. Okay, so just to see it got installed or not, we can go to the your computer, click on C. Okay, C drive, go to the program file, the same location what it was showing it. Go to the Java. Okay, it is showing JDK 17. Click here. We have the bin. Okay, so as we know, we need two things to run and compile the application. For compiling application, we need the Java C. So if you'll see, we have the Java exe here and Java C here. Okay, to run the application, we need the Java. So next things we'll be doing it, we'll be setting the class path. Okay, so to set the class path, we have to get the location till bin. Okay, because the Java and Java C is present in the bin. Click here, copy this location, go to this PC, right click on that, go to the properties. Once we click on the properties, we will find the advanced settings somewhere. There's advanced system settings somewhere. We'll click here. There is some environmental variable. Click on that. After clicking it, you have to search for the path. Okay, we have the path here. Click on edit. Okay, see already Java 17 path is added. Okay, if it's not added, you can add it. Okay, and click OK. Done. Done. So we have to go in the CMD command prompt and see if Java has been installed properly or not. So we'll just write Java version. Okay, so it is showing Java version 17.0. Okay, so it has been installed. So next things what we have to do, we have to write the programs. Okay, and execute it, our first program, hello world programs. So now we will be not using any development tool. We'll just write the program on notepad. Okay, and see if it is working or not. Okay, so I'm writing first program, hello world, hello world. we have to give the main method public static void main string args to just correct the syntax. I will just write one message. Just to print the message, we will be using system.out.println. We'll write any methods message. Welcome to my first Java programs. Okay. So as we already discussed, this is the source code we have. Okay, and we'll save this file somewhere wherever you want. Okay. So better I will create some folder here and then save. Okay, I will just directly save this file into the desktop. Okay, the name is hello world.java. So as we already discussed, once we write the source code, we have to compile the source code. Okay, how to compile the source code? We'll be using the command. Okay, that is javac. Okay, to compile the source code, what javac will give? Javac will give the class file. Okay, dot class file, that is bytecode. Okay, so we'll see how we are getting the dot class file. Okay, so dot class file will be something like this: hello world dot class. Okay, so once we'll get the dot class file, we have to run this class file. To run this class file, we will be giving java hello world. Okay, this will give you the output. So as we know, this two development tool, Java and Java C, is present in the bin, and we have set the class path for the bin in the environmental variable. Okay, so we save this. We'll go in the command prompt. Okay, so we have saved this file in the desktop, so we have to go into the desktop. Okay, now we'll be compiling it. The file name is hello world.java. It's successfully compiled. Now we'll go to the desktop and see if the class file is get created or not. So see, we have this class file hello world.class is created, and we have the Java file hello world.java. Okay, so this class file created, we cannot read this class file. Okay, because it's the bytecode, but if you'll open this, you will be getting something, some special character like this. Okay, so this bytecode only a machine will understand. Okay, and give you the output. So now we just compile the .java file, and we got the class file. Now to run that bytecode, okay, we just need to write hello world. Okay, now we get the message what we have printed: hello, welcome to my first Java program. Okay, so it's working successfully. Okay, we can write the program using notepad and notepad plus plus. Okay, but to do the real development, we need the different IDE to develop. Okay, so we have different IDE like Eclipse, STS, Visual Studio. Okay, all these things. Okay, so you can download one of them. Okay, you can go to the eclipse.org. Okay, and download the Eclipse. Okay, uh, whatever the Eclipse latest one, you can download it. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. Okay, so I will just write one program there. Okay, and just show you how you can write it and create the project. Okay, so it's already open, no need to open it again. So I will be going to the I have opened it. Okay, so the workspace name is java bash 7 pm. Okay, you can create any name. Okay, go to the file, click on the new, and you have to create the simple Java program. So no need to give this Marvin and everything. Okay, just click on Java project. Okay, project, Java project. Okay, you can give any name, so I'm giving code depth